I'm Rich Steves at TMC. I'm here on the floor of ITEXPO Austin 2012. I'm with John Canosa, GM at ThingWorx. John, what do you have to show us today?
Well, I wanted to show you a little bit about some of the applications that can be built with ThingWorx. ThingWorx is really the first application that's designed to meet the needs of today's connected world. It's really taking the concept of M2M beyond just connecting machines to machines and really integrating the machines and the information available in those machines into your business. So integrating it into your CRM and ERP systems, making information and applications available to your customers, bringing in external sources of data, whether it's weather from weather.com or translations from Google Translate, and being able to bring all of that, synthesize that into applications that meet the needs of the unique individuals within your company. So from your sales force to your service to your customers to your accounting to your partners.
And you've got something to show us here?
Yeah, this is one of the applications that we've built. This is actually for residential energy monitoring. So a company that makes transfer switches for switching between solar or backup battery and generators to the grid power, right? And so this is an example application that we built that kind of shows you a couple different views, because in an application that you build within ThingWorx, there's going to be different constituencies. There's people want to see more of a global view, kind of a management level view. But if you're the homeowner, you're going to want to see a different view. If you're a service engineer, you're going to want to see quite a different view. A lot of it's coming from the same data sources, but they interpret it very differently and want to present it to them a little bit differently. So here's an example of just, again, a sample application, a company here with some customers that are scattered around the U.S. here. In some cases, they've got problems that are showing up as little red dots. We're able to show data in multiple forms, whether it's the time series data or graphical charts. A very important part of ThingWorx is the collaboration piece. We're very big believers that information needs to be shared to be turned into value. So being able, say, for a field service engineer to chat with someone in the engineering department to help them solve a problem that they don't understand, or someone that's new with the company sees an error code that they've never experienced before, they can look that up in a wiki or discussion forum, do a search and find that information. The other thing, we can just kind of take a different view here. So this would be, say, the homeowner view now, where they're less interested in the status of everybody else. They're more interested in what's going on in my home, but also being able to take collected data and compare it and contrast it with data from other sites. In this example, from other homes. So, I'm a homeowner. I'm using 0.51 kilowatts right now. What does that mean? If I'm a homeowner, I don't know what that means. But if I can go down here and compare my usage to all the other houses that are the same square footage of mine, that gives me a much better understanding of what's going on in my world. And we can even select another residence and say, if I'm red here, my usage is higher than someone else's. What's going on? How do I fix that? So it's really about presenting the information in a way that's appropriate for that particular user. And with the ThingWorx Mashup Builder, it makes it very, very easy to create applications that are targeted at specific users, and in fact targeted at specific form factors. Do it for an iPhone or an Android machine or an iPad, and be able to create those applications uniquely for those different form factors very rapidly, rather than trying to create a one-size-fits-all application.
Great. John, thank you so much for the demonstration.
All right, thanks a lot.